Hey guys, it's Paul here. So earlier this year, brand has completed the development of a display 120Hz. While we are expecting 120Hz refresh rate display in the upcoming OnePlus 8 series. So it is confirmed that OnePlus will be powered with 120Hz refresh rate. Wait, that isn't end. They revealed about the MEMC Chip 2, which will be featuring in OnePlus brand. So let's know more about the MEMC chip features. First of all, MEMC stands for Motion Estimation Motion Compensation, which basically increases the frame rate of the video that is being played in the real time. I know it is complex to understand, but let me give you one example. If any of the video is filmed as a 60 fps, then this chip will add duplicate frames and make it up to 120 fps video. And by adding more frames, the pixel will be short, the screen resolution will be same, but the video will get smooth even from the first one. This chip is already featured in many smart TV and it is already featured in OnePlus TV, which got launched last year. So by this chip you will get better performance in the video quality. Especially this chip was made for the sports lover. They can enjoy the smoothness on their televisions only. But now this chip will be featured in mobile phones. Now there's a problem. The many apps couldn't support the high FPS, which may create problem for the mobile users. Brand developers also featured one video. In that video, the developers trying to make understand the users how this video and MEMC chip works. In one frame, MEMC feature is there and in another MEMC feature is off. So the user will get understand how this MEMC and without MEMC video looks like. Yes, it will support most of the video service platforms such as YouTube, Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar and many more. Anyway, OnePlus 8 series is to make debut on April 14th. I surely gonna make video on that too. By the way, MEMC chip will be delivered in OnePlus phones, so it will be further seen in many phones too. So what do you think about MEMC features? Let me know in the comments. Till then, stay safe. Peace out.